Then Pacquiao, he was still very new
อ่า
and he wasn't as experienced as
แล้วก็
Chathai.
ยก 8 ก็มาพลาด
And on the 8th round, he underestimated Pacquiao.
วันพันเลย
One punch is all it took.
Does he remember the punch?
ยังจำได้ไหมจำหมัดนั้นนะไหมคะ
Magandang araw mga pre, mayong adlaw po sa mga Bisaya diha. December 4, 1998 ay ang umpisa ng makasaysayang karera ni Manny Pacquiao sa mundo ng boxing. Sa pitsang ito ay nakipagbakbakan ng ating kababayan para agawin ang WBC at lineal flyweight mula sa kamay ng defending champion ng Thailand na si Chathai Sasakul. Yan ang pag-usapan natin sa video ito mga pre, pero kung bago ka sa aking munting tahanan, pasuporta naman pre, click mo lang ang subscribe button at notification bell button para lagi kang updated sa mga videos ko. Ang nasabing laban ay naganap sa baluarte mismo ng Thai champion sa bansang Thailand. Bit-bit ni Pacman, 20 years old pa noon, ang kartadang 23 wins at isang talo, habang ang Thai champion naman na 28 years old na noon ay may record na 32 wins at isang talo. Ito ang pang-anim na depensa ng Thai champion, pero dito nagumpisa ang istorya na ngayon ay 8 Division World Champion nating kababayan. Nang pabagsakin niya ang Thai champion, nakuha niya ang kauna-unahang world title at tapusin ang laban sa ika-8 round via KO. Sa isang interview ginawa sa Thai legend na si Chathai Sasakul, 17 years after ng kanilang laban, natanong siya sa laban nila ni Pacquiao at sinabi niyang minaliit daw niya ang ating kababayan dahil sa bata pa daw ito at bago pa lang sa larangan ng boxing.
Then Pacquiao, he was still very new
อ่า
and he wasn't as experienced as
แล้ว
Chathai.
ก็ยก
Pero sa mismong laban daw, ay doon daw niya nalamang sobrang galing, tibay at lakas daw nito at sobrang determinado daw sa laban. Sinabi din niyang ramdam niya na siya ang panalo from round 1 to round 7, pero nadali daw siya sa round 8 sa isang suntok lang daw. Sa isang suntok na di niya nakita at di daw niya inaasahan.
8 ก็มาพลาด
And on the 8th round, he underestimated Pacquiao.
วันพันเลย
One punch is all it took. Pacquiao. On the 8th round, he couldn't get around him. He couldn't get around him.
ก็โดนหมัดเดียวแล้วก็
So all it took was one punch
KO
and then KO.
Does he remember the punch?
ยังจำได้ไหมจำหมัดนั้นนะไหมคะ
Matapos ang laban ay na-realize daw niyang special na boxer itong si Pacman. Dagdag pa niya, believe daw siya sa determinasyon, hard work ng ating kababayan sa training at sa laban. Nagretiro si Chathai Sasakul noong 2008 sa edad na 38 years old na may boxing record na 63 wins, 4 losses at 1 draw at 38 dito via knockout. Taong 2015 habang nasa business trip si Chathai Sasakul ay sorpresa ang binisita niya si Pacman sa Los Angeles training place ng ating kababayan para i-good luck si Pacman para sa laban niya kay Floyd Mayweather. Sa kasalukuyan ay isang boxing at Muay Thai trainer si Sasakul ngayon.
敵地で、打ち込めるだけのエネルギーがあるかどうか、エネルギーがあると面白い選手だと思いますよ。
開始เริ่มแล้วครับมาเริ่มดูยกแรกもう一度お伝えしますと白のトランクスがチャンピオンチャッチャイダッチボーイジムです挑戦者が赤のトランクスランキング4位フィリピンのマニー・パッキャオですパンチ力を持っています盛りを打ってきましたサウスポースタイルパッキャオです正王者でしたユーリ選手と97年11月対戦しまして正式王者となりましたまあそのユーリ選手との試合というのはユーリ選手がちょうど V10
内田正和さんの顔が見えますね。
向こう側ですね、
はい
ジャッジのうちの一人に入っています内田さん左を出していきましたがここでゴングです第1ラウンド終了しましたいかがでしょうか
まあ一覧
28歳です WBC 世界フライ級のタイトルマッチ12回戦
まあ私がルイス・エスピノサのマネージャーしてた時に、ね、私辞めたんですね。
長さん的にはちょっとダメかなという感じだったんですか。
やはりちょっと避ける感が良くなかったですね。だからディフェンスをおろすかにしてともかく打つことでですね、もうそれを防御にしてくるタイプですね。
自力的というのは正面からまっすぐ来ると
正面からしか来ないと。
左ストレートまさにこれはそうでしょう。
パワーはありますけどね、読みやすいですね。 相手の出方が読めずですね。
戦前の予想ではその2人を比べた場合パンチ力だけはこのマニー・パッキャオチャンピオンを上回ってるだろうとこういう評価が
ですよね。
そうですか。
まあ戸口選手がピューマ戸口になったり、戸口貴人選手になったりとかね。
浜田さん、浜田剛選手は浜田剛選手のまんまですね。
まあやっぱり普段であるとまあ本名がいいんじゃないかなと私は思いますけどね。
シーンがこのラウンドありました。第3ラウンドを終えています。
このラウンドは挑戦者パッキャオのラウンドですね。
だいぶ構成を評価したものですか。
そうですね。まあ構成していいパンチ当たってましたね。左のまあフックですね。そして右フックもそのヒットしてましたし。
Dancing around the outside. Now wants to get into close quarters, doesn't he? He wants this one at close range, but Shashikul won't let him do it. Defending him up. Good left hand there from Pacquiao. Just seemed to rock Shashikul. And now he really is on the run. Hits the ropes and needs to get out of it. Doesn't want to take too many in a row. Pacquiao can stagger you and then stun you. This is what he needs. Sustained periods of pressure if he's to look like the favourite here. That's if he does go, of course, the distance, and not too many of his matches to do that. Even seemed to register. Pacquiao's taking the punch as well. Shashikul. The man trying to take it. Manny Pacquiao. On attack. The official struggling to get out of the way. They are moving at a rapid rate. The pace is not relented. That's all right. Focus as he moves in, but there he just got a little bit lazy with a couple of shots and hometown favourite. Probably got the rough end of that one and then takes a right hand flush in the face. And the attack for Shashikul. Getting through with his shots to tie, but doesn't seem to be doing enough. And the way Pacquiao is taunting him there, I think he wants him to come forward. Thing to this point, but for me, right hand just had to shake it off a bit. Now has certainly got the power, but as yet it's just lacked a little bit of precision. It seems to be more of a focus on Pacquiao though when Shashikul runs forward. It's more in hope, is it? Euphoria which surrounds Pacquiao at this point. It's such that he comes in here. Of a champion. This is Shashikul's fourth defence for this belt. He's got a job on to keep it. Starting just to open up. These fans, Shashikul's got a problem. He's leaving that guard a little bit low at times as well. Left hand came through there. Now trying to go for that right hook as well, and Shashikul's just let the left glove drop on a few occasions of it. He's chasing down Shashikul now. And the Thai just desperate to get out of harm's way. New worried faces at ringside. They're seeing their hometown hero. At no stage he's really been in trouble. It's been a lot of that, hasn't it, where Shashikul is threatened, but he's not got himself in range. something, trying out Shashikul, standing square on, and there's not quite the spring in the legs of the Thai champion. Look out, holding it in. Much defence as he came in there, trying to wind up a punt, wasn't far away from finding the mark. Decent body shot in there. Shashikul's taking them, but Pacquiao is walking through punches. Got in a left on the chin of Shashikul, who tried to offer some sort of riposte, but Pacquiao is a good right hand from Shashikul. That'll make him feel a lot better, but he needs to back that up, and he's just angered Pacquiao. The left uppercut in there, then a right hook, but it just flew over the stance of the official as well. I think he's in a spot above it here. It looks like he's starting to puff a little bit, and down he goes. Well, there was a cracking body shot in amongst a barrage of blows. That did for him, and I don't think he's going to get up here. He is flat out with nowhere to go. The champion on home soil is battered up. He's down, champion, and this is how he did it. And no wonder you have to slow it down. Look at that left hand, right on the money. That was the blow that did it. Just before that, there was a decent body shot that went in, which took some wind out of him too. There's nothing more for Shashikul. His reign is over. The Pac-Man's has just begun.
Chloe Adina, Ryan Cardama from Cebu, James Miao from Albuera Leyte, John Kevin Pagay, Jose Ernie TV and more, Ivan Ariki. Ingat kayo dyan pre at maraming salamat sa panonood.